Welcome to today's video. In the previous episode, we will talk about the set of ISO rules for tolerating length dimensions, and today we will follow up on the video and look at it in more detail and specifically about the correct section of the fitting for the hole and the shaft. Our choice of fitting is influenced by structural arrangement of the product and method of assembly, production procedure and cost for processing the part, type of semi-finished product and material consumption, costs for making, maintaining and storing calibers and production tools, and the possibility of using standardized and standardized parts. The fitting is determined based on experience or by calculating the elevate play or the overlap from the functional requirements of the part being joined. When choosing right fitting, the impact must also be taken into the account. Deviation in shape, orientation and position, roughness of the surface, and material densities, operating temperature, heat treatment, and material. The relationship between the elements making up the fitting is indicated by common nominal size, marking the tolerance class for the hole, and marking the tolerance class for the shaft. Hole basis system, it is chosen for standard cases and to avoid and unnecessarily large numbers of tools for making hole and gauges. For economics reasons, tolerance classes in a roughly printed frames and combination of tolerance classes in a uniform hole basis system should preferably be used, as you can see in this picture. The shaft basis system should be used where it brings certain economic advantages. For economic reasons, tolerance classes in a roughly printed frame and combination of tolerance classes in a shaft basis system should preferably be used, as you can see in this picture. So much for today's video. If you like my work, subscribe to this channel and we will see you on the next video. Bye.